Okay, we're just looking here at solving word problems with one unknown or using one variable. There's a list of steps here, and we're just going to solve a problem using those steps. So the key thing here is you identify an unknown value and represent it with a letter, and that is combined with step number 2, where basically most problems will consist of several unknown values. So let your letter represent the simplest of these. Okay, and you'll see how that makes sense when we look at the problem in a short while. When you have that done, then you express all other unknown values in terms of this value, convert the word equation into a maths equation, then solve it, then answer the question. So just reread back at the original question and say, okay, what exactly did they ask me to do? Because they didn't ask you to find X, they've asked you to show me what the age of that person is, or show how many phones or how many goals or whatever it is. So just it's important that you keep an eye on what exactly they've asked you. So this is the problem that we have. Alana has some money. Zoe has 4.5 times as much money as Alana. Carly has €20 more than Alana and Zoe combined. Altogether, the three friends have €130 between them. Work out how much money each person has. Okay, so that's all the information that we have. So you identify the unknown values. So the unknown values are the amount of money that Alana has, Zoe has, and Carly has. So you have 3 things that you don't know the value of, or the quantity. So which one of those 3 is the simplest? Okay, so Alana is the one that they've given us first, and if you look at it, everything else is based off, like Zoe's money is references how much money Alana has. Carly references how much Alana and Zoe has. So you start off with the one that at the start. So in this case, the simplest one is Alana. So we let X equals the amount of money that Alana has, okay, as is the simplest. So then we have to write out all of the other unknowns, so the other 2 unknowns, which is how much Zoe has and how much Carly has, in terms of that. So we've now decided that we're on step 3 now. Express all other unknown values in terms of this. So X is Alana. X equals Alana. We've decided to use that letter to represent the amount of money she has. Zoe, read back the question. It says Zoe has 4.5 times that. So 4.5 times means 4.5 multiplied by whatever Alana has, and we now let Alana equals X. So 4.5x must be how much Zoe has. Carly has €20 more than Alana and Zoe combined. So €20 more means plus 20. Okay, €20 more means plus 20. So recognizing what each of these words means in terms of operations is an important part as well. So combined, so we have the word combined, basically means plus, so you add those together. So X plus 4.5x is the total of Alana and Zoe combined. Then once we know what that is, then we add on 20 to that. So if X plus 4.5x plus 20 is the amount of money Carly has. X represents what Alana has, 4.5x represents what Zoe has, and then you're adding on 20 to that because she has €20 more than the 2 of them combined. Okay. Step 4, convert the word problem into a mathematical equation. Now we've already converted some pieces already, so it's just a matter of putting them together and letting that equal something, because an equation is something that has an equals in it, so they must be equal to something. And then you reread the question. It says altogether the 3 friends have €130 between them. So that means that you add their total, what each person has together, to get 130. So that's what we end up doing. So basically we take Alana plus Zoe plus Carly and add them together. So Alana is X plus 4.5x, which is how much Zoe has, plus X plus 4.5x plus 20, which is what we decided is the amount Carly has. So we add all of those together. Then we have step 5, so we're solving the equation. So the first step there is you're going to add like terms. So we have X plus 4.5x plus X plus 4.5x. That is 11x. Then we still have the plus 20, and we are going to let that equal to 130 as we had, and we're just going to solve that. So you can see there we're taking 20 from both sides. We basically want to get x on its own, and we end up with 11x equals 110. You divide both sides by 11 to get x on its own, and we get x equals 10. So then we say, okay, we've solved the equation. What does it actually mean in reference to the original question? So you reread the question again. They're basically asking us, work out how much money each person has. So Alana must have €10 because she was equal to x. Zoe has 4.5 times that, which is 45. Carly has x plus 4.5x plus 20, and then you're just subbing in 10 for x into that one, and you end up with 75. And then you just quickly verify that they all add up to 130. So you have 10 plus 45 plus 75 is equal to 130. So you've verified your answer, and you've solved the problem. Okay.